You arrive at your destination, bags in hand, only to find the front desk agent holding your prepaid room hostage. They refuse to hand over the keys, demanding extra cash directly into their pocket before they let you check in. Negotiating with them on the spot rarely works. You need to bypass the front desk entirely, using a specific 4-level grievance redressal protocol to force a corporate refund or a binding legal resolution. Before initiating the first step, gather your essential materials. You need your smartphone with the OYO app installed, your exact booking ID, and clear photographic or video evidence of the room conditions or the extortion attempt at the desk. As you begin this process, you must strictly protect your information. Never post your passwords, banking details, or your specific unredacted booking IDs publicly on forums or social media while asking for help. By gathering your documentation and stepping away from a shouting match, you organize a chaotic travel disaster into a structured, winnable procedural fight. When panic sets in, your first instinct is usually to open Google and search for a customer care number. Scammers know this, and they actively purchase spoofed ads designed to look exactly like official support lines. Looking at this split-screen comparison, the red warning on the left highlights a common trap. Authentic support staff will never ask you to pay a check-in security deposit via a UPI QR code, nor will they ask you to download a remote desktop application. To avoid these traps entirely, open the official app, navigate directly to the Help and Support section, and log your Level 1 complaint from there. This 4-level escalation pyramid maps out your exact path to a resolution. The illuminated base tier represents your Level 1 baseline. If you cannot use the app, you can call the official 24/7 national hotlines at 931-3931-3931 or 0124-420-8080, or email guestsupport.na@oyorooms.com. Notice the countdown timer appearing on this tier. OYO handles urgent check-in disputes immediately, but for general billing and refund queries, you should expect a standard window of 24 to 72 hours for processing. Securing an instant refund is ideal, but the true purpose of Step 1 is to create an official, time-stamped paper trail. You need this logged ticket to force higher-level action if they deny your claim. Level 1 support runs on scripts. They will often close a ticket prematurely without issuing a refund, even for a denied check-in or a highly unsanitary room. Moving up to the second tier of our pyramid, you execute a Level 2 escalation. You bypass general support entirely and email the corporate grievance officer directly at escalations@oyorooms.com or corporate@oyorooms.com. This bar represents the legally mandated timeline for consumer protection. The corporate grievance officer must acknowledge your dispute within 48 hours and provide a final resolution within 30 days. You must let this specific 30-day corporate window expire. Government authorities will not accept your case until you prove you gave the company this legally required time to fix the issue themselves. Executing Level 2 officially logs the dispute as a corporate compliance obligation, creating a trackable legal trail within the company's grievance department. If Day 31 arrives and the company has either denied your refund or responded with total silence, you pull the trigger on Level 3. The third tier of the pyramid brings in the Department of Consumer Affairs. You register your grievance with the National Consumer Helpline, either through their online portal, the UMAN app, or by dialing 1915. The NCH actively monitors major aggregators for unfair trade practices, such as confirmed booking denials. Their involvement places direct regulatory pressure on the company, initiating a new 45-day window for resolution. The apex of our pyramid represents pre-litigation. If the NCH cannot resolve the issue, you have a lawyer draft a final legal notice. It must be addressed to the Oravel Stays Limited Gurugram Hudgrumhes, demanding a full refund and compensation for harassment within 15 days. If the company ignores the legal notice, you file a formal case against them at the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. You can handle this entire filing process online without paying for legal representation, using the government's official e-Jagriti portal. Reaching Level 4 provides the specific legal tools needed to bypass internal corporate gatekeepers and secure a binding judgment through the commission. You started as a stranded, frustrated traveler at a locked door. You now have a legally sound 4-tier mechanism designed to recover your money. To make this process seamless, check the video description below. You will find the exact copy-paste email addresses, the physical corporate headquarters address, and direct links to the official government portals. If you hit a roadblock, or if you need help locating the correct legal templates to draft your Level 4 notice, leave a comment below. Our advocacy community is here to point you to the right resources. One final reminder: completely ignore any request from a purported hotel agent to scan a random QR code to secure your booking. Understanding and utilizing these escalation protocols is the single most effective way to protect your wallet and enforce corporate accountability in the modern travel industry.